Koken Adaptor Socket for low-profile wheel nut. This socket is applicable to low-profile wheel nuts, which are now being used in automobile weight-saving designs. A conventional wheel nut socket has deeper socket opening. This causes the socket to touch the wheel and damages the paint on the wheel. Koken has invented a shallow opening socket used exclusively for low-profile wheel nuts. This socket is equipped with plastic wheel protector and stopper as standard equipment for damage prevention. Also, they are color-coded similar to conventional impact wheel nut sockets. When it is attached to a socket, it transforms into a socket for low-profile wheel nuts. Standard tool for tire replacement. Koken Adaptor Socket for low-profile wheel nut.